As I was playing with some of the new math lessons that have been developed to go with Marty the robot, I was really inspired to play with more fraction ideas. And so in this one, I wanted to do some fraction equivalencies to help students see equivalencies between different fractions. I decided that I also wanted to play around with the sensor on Marty because Marty's sensor on his foot can actually detect what color he's touching. So I used the yellow to represent 1/2. I used the green to represent 1/3. I used the red to represent 1/4. And I used the blue to represent 1/6. So basically, I just decided, well, what number could I use that would be evenly divisible by all of those numbers? And I came up with 24. So 24 would represent 1 whole. So then whenever Marty stepped on yellow, he should walk half of 24 steps 2 times. If Marty was touching the red, then he should walk 1/3 of 24 3 times over. So each time I had Marty walk 1 whole, but I used the different colors that his foot was touching to represent the increments that he would walk in. And between each of these walks, he would do a little dance so that I could go and I could mark on the floor where the fraction was. Now, when all the fractions are laid out on the floor, the next step would be for students to investigate and see where do the fractions line up. So here you can see the 1/2 lines up with the 2/4, which also lines up with the 3/6 mark. And so that could help students see equivalencies between different types of fractions. You could do this in all different ways. And as students get more advanced, you could also have them start to code it. And I really played with defining a block or a function too in this example, just to kind of stretch and extend what I was doing. So passing back and forth variables. You could make this much simpler or you can make it more complex depending on what level of students you're working with. And you could focus on some of the math applications, or you could focus on loops, functions, blocks, and variables. So I hope you enjoyed this example. I'll close by putting my code on the screen. You can pause it and grab that to try out yourself if you wish. Bye.